Alright, what's up guys? We are out here at a gas station and it is late. We are meeting up with our boy Steve. It's 10:30. We got work in the morning, but we wanted to get some night content for you guys. Don't mind one glove. I took one off because I had to do some stuff. But we're going to do a little bit of night vlog, and this night vlog is on pure mode. So you should be able to see clear as day when we're riding around. Thank you to this Ace Pro and its AI chip. It brightens everything. There is no lights over there, but I bet you can see it clear as day. We're going to take a look over here. There's that street light, but to my natural eye, it's kind of hard to see those windows. You can tell they're there. A little bit difficult. But I bet with the Ace Pro and its AI chip, you can do it fine. We got us a little Camaro right here on E85 that pulled up. Sound a little good. It's on a little tire, little cute thing. But, you know, we're going to get out here with Steve. He pulling out his V4r. That beautiful thing. We got the two Italians. The Italian Stallions. The best things produced in 2019. We're going to get some content for you guys. So I'm going to catch you guys as we're riding around. I don't know what exactly we're going to be doing, but we're going to be doing something. But I catch you guys whenever he pulls up and finally gets here. And then I can be like, hey, look, it's Steve. I don't know. He said he was ready like 10 minutes ago. Steve, if you watching this, where you at, my guy? We waiting on you. Got me out here in Anacrime. Gonna get me mugged out here. I'm kidding. It's a nice gas station. They got 85. It must be nice. But yeah, we waiting on Steve. Hopefully he pulls up soon. But let's go get some content for you guys. All right, I'll catch you guys in a second. Deuces. Corn. What's done to it? I see you on a corn and tire.
85, bro. 85 headers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got a CTSV coupe. So,
Really?
yeah. So.
Yeah, I'm just
Okay.
5 headers intake.
Okay. So just simple bolt-ons for now. Yeah. Who did it?
I did it myself.
Oh well, you didn't tune it, did you?
I'm getting tuned by some guy in Texas.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, so you're remote tuning. Okay.
About 550 wheel.
That's good. That's solid for NA.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. All right, that's cool. That's cool. All right, yeah, I saw the yellow handle. I had to ask. Like bikes are fun, but cars still have my heart.
No, bikes are too crazy for me.
Yeah, cause how old are you?
20.
Okay, see, when I was here, no bikes. When I was young and dumb, I did all my stupid shit in the car.
Yeah.
Now that I'm 24, I got a bike when I was 23. Oh yeah.
I want to get a bike soon. It's still too
Don't have two projects. That's the only thing I can tell you. Don't even get another car until you're happy with this. Don't go heads, cam, and all that and not have a daily.
S14. Right now I'm heads, cammed.
What's this?
I'm a 14 stroker.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have an S14 as well.
Okay.
It was automatic. I have a full conversion kit to manual.
Oh, okay. So you have two projects already going.
It's a little tough.
Yeah, you don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
I say pick one and finish it.
Yeah, I'm trying to finish this one first.
Okay.
I have the full conversion kit for manual, but
Yeah.
I want to twin turbo it, but it's like later on because I've noticed like it's a lot of money, so I'm going to school right now as well. So
Yeah, I get that.
Just focus on this one.
Makes sense. All right.
I'm trying to like sport charge it and
Okay.
right now get where I can. You know, at least 800 wheel would be fine.
Yeah, that's solid. That's solid.
50, so
But your NA 550, which is better. Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah. So NA 550 solid, especially in a high compression motor. So as soon as you throw a little bit of boost at it, it's gonna love it. All right. Well, I can't keep you here too long. Beautiful car. My V is Cadillac's version of this color.
Hey, the V is insane though.
Thank you.
I want a V so bad, but you know.
I think that's my boy on his bike right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's pulling up on a V4r. Yeah.
All right, man.
Yeah. All right. Well, have a good one. Yeah.
Stay safe.
You too. Thank you. It's alive, baby. Ooh. I want another duck again. One day we'll get another one. Oh, okay. She is back. My brother. I haven't seen this out since... Oh no, K's meet. I saw that K's meet. That was last time. I was like, since the day we picked it up, but now I've seen it once. What'd you say? First ride? Oh, the first. Oh, we're gonna shoot here. I did this some shit here. So I figured. Gas station. This is a good lit gas station too, and not too many pumps, which makes it clean. Huh? Where are we doing it?
Right there.
Oh, right around the. Oh, right under.
So you know that reel was like I did with fucking this shit.
Yeah.
That's right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that reel went hard.
Is under here.
That's why. They just fucked it up. So it's just an Allen key. These two.
Yeah. And, well, this should have been under the trunk, but yeah.
There's no trunk anymore.
Yeah.
Alright, dude.
Definitely. I'll see you. I'll definitely see you Thursday. Yep. Got you. What's up, guys? We are back. That was... Oh, I was like, you're on the wrong side of the road, buddy. That was a 5-0. Hopefully it don't turn around for me. But that was a lot of fun. I will insert what the shots and everything that Steve got. He got some sick stuff, and it's not even edited yet. It's not even edited yet. Bro scared the shit out of me. I was like, bro, what the fuck is that? Little Stevie out here. Okay, okay. I was like, where'd you come from? I'm going to the 91 and then I gotta go left. Cool, we get a little bit of a vlog out here. This turned into a vlog. Slow down, because you guys won't be able to hear me, I don't think. But well, that was a lot of fun. Like I said, I will insert the clips after this of all of the shenanigans, or not all of the pictures and stuff that Steve got. He did get a couple of videos. Probably will insert that too. It's gonna be vertical, but that's okay. That was a lot of fun. I'm glad you came with me. I think I have more, but my legs are shaking. I think I might have hit my top speed right now. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. I haven't ever mobbed with anybody like that. Like, nobody. Like, that little pull him. This, hey, look. No, hey, you I don't know how. I kind of did swerve into Steve a little bit. Don't know if I swerved into him enough to make him get off the throttle. But you pulled on him. You pulled. I'll give it to you, little ape. Aprilia, you are fucking quick. You're fucking quick. If he didn't get out of it, even if I didn't get a jump, that bike is minimum 40 pounds lighter. Steve is a much heavier dude. Steve got about 40 pounds on me. I'm 220. He's a little more than me. So yeah, so that's about even bike to bike weight, or bike to rider weight. And if this thing actually walked it like I think it did, bro, bike, you are a menace to society. What do you mean? I hope I'm not talking too loud where all of this is breaking out. I'm gonna calm down a little bit. Okay, like I was just saying, I'm sorry, now I'm talking regular. I was just so excited, guys. This thing is a fucking monster. Like, what? Like, what? What? I am so speechless right now, like, with what this was able to do. I am... Yep, fanny pack stayed closed, 170. We love it. Lululemon, you make a phenomenal riding fanny pack. Thank you. Thank you. Our friend just lost her ID and still riding, not even going fast, 65, 70, and lost everything. And right now I just hit 171 was what I saw before when I looked up. Like, I had to look up after that. Wow. Wow. Like I said, I'm speechless with what this bike just did. Sorry you were probably covered in gas. I will definitely grab you a rag right now when we get home. Tomorrow, you are going to get the finest fit shine possible. You will be getting the finest fit shine from around the town. Thank you. Wow. 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 Like, that's legit. Guys, that's all I'm able to tell you guys right now is the word wow. Like I said, I love the Ducati. Like I was telling Steve, the Ducati was an amazing bike. Rest in peace. But this thing is just different. This is just different. And it proved itself today. It 100% proved itself today. As being one of the most insane badass bikes around. What else? There isn't anything really, besides maybe one of those fully done up S1K M1K, H2, a brand new fire blade that's fully tuned, velocity stack, everything, and booster maybe a ZX14 that can do what this is did with that V4r. Like I am going, first thing I'm gonna do when I get home is plug this phone in because I'm at like 3% and text Steve like, hey, did you get off the throttle? I know I rolled into a little harder than you, but how much were you in the throttle and was I pulling? And we will see what he says because the 360 don't lie. The 360 don't lie. And we got that 360 footage. I can't wait to get the X4, guys. I will be receiving the Insta360 X4 very soon. And I will definitely be using it because I'm so excited for that camera. That camera is going to be bone off the teeth. But like I said, huge thank you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. We got a little bit of pops. All right, love you guys. Deuces.